Hi friends, welcome to Sai Publications. First question is, who has been appointed as the new chief of the Indian Air Force in 2024? A. R.K. Bahaduria, B. Tejendra Singh, C. Amarpreet Singh, D. Vivek R. Chaudhary. Option C is the right answer. Amarpreet Singh. Next question. Who has been appointed as the chairman of UPSC, Union Public Service Commission? New chairman. A. Preeti Sudan, B. Manoj Soni, C. Dinesh Das, D. Samir Kamath. Option A is the right answer. Preeti Sudan. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new chief of the army staff? A. M. Narayan, B. Upender Dwivedi, C. Sujay L. Thasan, D. None of this. Option B is the right answer. Upendra Dwivedi. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of YouTube? Parag Agarwal, Neil Mohan, Andy Jesse, Neelan Mukesh. Option B is the right answer. Neil Mohan. Fifth question. Who has the present of Vice President of India? Venkaiah Naidu, Satyapal Malik, Jagdeep Dhankar, Ramnath Kovind. Option C is the right answer. Jagdeep Dhankar. Next question. Who has been appointed as the Chairman and CEO of Railway Board? Option A. Arun Agarwal, B. Sonali Ghosh, C. Jaya V. Sinha, D. Satish Kumar. Option D is the right answer. Satish Kumar. Next question. Who has been elected as the first Indian president of the Olympic Council of Asia? A. Randir Singh, B. Gagan Narang, C. Abhinav Bindra, D. P.T. Usha. Option A is the right answer. Randir Singh. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of SBI in 2024? Dinesh K. Khara, Challa S. Shetty, Arundhati B. Acharya, Rajnish Kumar. Option B is the right answer. Challa S. Shetty. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new finance secretary of India? A. Kaushik Basu, B. Arvind Mayaram, C. Tuhin Kumar Pandey, D. T.V. Somanathan. Option C is the right answer. Tuhin Kumar Pandey. 10th question. Who has recently resigned Garuda Aerospace as a brand ambassador? Rahul Dravid, Dinesh Karthik, MS Dhoni, Sunil Narayan. MS Dhoni is the right answer. Next question. Who has been named as new chairman of ICC? Jay Shah, Surabh Ganguly, Sean Watson, none of this. Option A is the right answer. Jay Shah. Next question. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Law Commission? Option A. N.V. Raman, B. D. Mishra, C. Rituraj Avasti, D. D.Y. Chandrachud. Option C is the right answer. Rituraj Avasti. Next question. Who has been appointed as India's new foreign secretary? A. Aditi Singh, B. Vikram Misri, C. Rahul Singh, D. None of this. Option B is the right answer. Vikram Misri. Next question. Who has been recently elected as the president of Vietnam? Tu Lam, Pham Yam Chin, Long Kong, Yoon S. Yeol. Option C is the right answer. Long Kong. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new coach of Indian men's cricket team? A. Zahir Khan, B. VVS Lakshman, C. Rahul Dravid, D. Gautam Gambhir. Option D is the right answer. Gautam Gambhir. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new president of the World Bank? Neil Mohan, Shaktikanta Das, Indermit Gill, Ajay Banga. Answer D. Ajay Banga. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of DRDO? K. Shivan, R. Madhavan, Samir V. Kamath, S. Somanath. Option C is the right answer. Samir V. Kamath. Next question. Who has become the 15th president of India? A. Draupadi Murmu, B. Yashwant Sinha, C. Mamata Banerjee, D. Anandben Patel. Option A is the right answer. Draupadi Murmu. Next question. Who has been appointed as the 25th Chief Election Commissioner? A. Sushil Chandra, B. Rajiv Kumar, C. Ashok Lavasa, D. Anup Chandra. Option B is the right answer. Rajiv Kumar. Next question. Who has been charged as the new managing director of IRCTC? Alak Pandey, Alok Sinha, Sanjeev Kumar Jain, Rajiv P. Singh. Option C is the right answer. Sanjeev Kumar Jain. Next question. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for MotoGP in India? Hardik Pandey, Shikhar Dhawan, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli. Option B is the right answer. Shikhar Dhawan. Next question. Who has been appointed as 10th chairman of ISRO? M. Radhakrishnan, S. Somanath, K. Sivan, Sanjay Kumar. Option B is the right answer. S. Somanath. Next question. Who has been appointed as Director General of ESIC? Randir Singh, Ankit Sharma, Ashok K. Singh, none of this. Option C is the right answer. Ashok Kumar Singh. Next question. Who has been appointed as NAFED Chairman? A. J. Tahir, B. Rakesh Sinha, C. Rohit Sharma, D. Arjun Singh. Option A is the right answer. J. Tahir. Next question. Naib Singh Saini become Chief Minister of which state? Kerala, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan. Option C is the right answer. Haryana. Who took oath as new UPSC chairman? A. Rakesh Kumar, B. Preeti Sudan, C. Manoj Soni, D. Anupam Rai. Option B is the right answer. Preeti Sudan. Next question. Who has been appointed as the independent director of Paytm? Sandeep Batra, Samir Bansal, Rajiv Agarwal, Abhay Hota. Option C is the right answer. Rajiv Agarwal. Next question. Who has been re-elected as 18th Lok Sabha Speaker? JP Nadda, Om Birla, Jagdeep Shankar, none of this. Option B is the right answer. Om Birla. Next question. Who has been appointed additional security in the PMO? Manisha Saxena, Mugada Sinha, Amit S. Negi, Vatsalya Saxena. Option C is the right answer. Amit S. Negi. Next question. Who has been appointed as the Secretary to the President of India? Dipti Umashankar, Rahul Navin, Uday Kotak, Chanda Kochar. Option A is the right answer. Dipti Umashankar. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of the Indian Coast Guard? Prakash Kumar, S. Paramesh, Om Prakash, Harish Mehta. Option B is the right answer. S. Paramesh. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new National Ambassador for UNICEF India? Priyanka Chopra, Anushka Sharma, Alia Bhatt, Kareena Kapoor. Option D is the right answer. Kareena Kapoor. Next question. Agarwal Jain has been appointed as Executive Director of Reserve Bank of India, State Bank of India, Union Bank of India, Bank of India. Option A is the right answer. Reserve Bank of India. Next question. Who has been become the new Director of Central Bureau of Investigation CBI? Anish Dayal, Praveen Sood, Manoj Pandey, Ravi Sinha. Option B is the right answer. Praveen Sood. Last question. Sujata Soni has been appointed as the first Women's Chief Secretary of which state? Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. Option C is the right answer. Maharashtra. Thank you.